Welcome to Arya College of Engineering and Information Technology, Focus Chapter. I am Harish Chawla from Department of Civil Engineering. So we are going to discuss about leveling and height of instrument method and rise and fall method. Leveling. The objective of leveling to find out the elevation of various points with reference to any node or assumed benchmark. The establish various point of given elevation with reference to any known or assumed benchmark. Leveling provides vertical control in surveying. Technical terms in leveling. Level surface. It is a curved surface that is perpendicular to the direction of gravity at every point. The surface of a still water in a lake is a true level surface. Vertical line. It is a line which is in along the direction of gravity. This line is indicated by the plumb bob freely suspended. So this line is also known as plumb bob line. Level line. The level line normal to the plumb bob line is known as level line. All points on a level line are in the same level or same elevation. Mean level. The mean sea level. The sea surface is in balanced with the earth gravity, so arithmetic mean of overly water level observed for a long period of 19 years is considered as mean level. Elevation. Elevation of a point can be defined as its vertical distance above or below with respect to any fixed or assumed level surface. Datum. We always need a reference with respect to which we can measure the elevation of any point. This reference surface is known as datum. Reduced level. The height of any point relative to a datum is known as reduced level. Elevation, latitude, reduced level carry the same meaning, basic meaning. Horizontal plane. Horizontal plane through a point which is tangential to the level surface at that point. A plane perpendicular to the direction of gravity or level line. Plumb bob line. Horizontal line. A straight line tangential to the level line at a point is known as horizontal line. It lies in the horizontal plane. It is perpendicular to the plumb bob line. Vertical angle. It is an angle between two intersecting lines which are in vertical plane and is a widely measured with respect to a horizontal line at a point at which vertical angle is being measured. If the vertical angle is measured above the horizontal plane, it is a angle of elevation. Similarly, if the angle is measured below the horizontal plane, it is known as angle of depression. Benchmark. Any point whose elevation is definitely known as be used as benchmark. Great trigonometrical survey benchmark. Second, permanent benchmark. Third, arbitrary benchmark. And fourth, temporary benchmark. So here is the question of in which quadrantal bearing is given. So sum of the interior angle formula is 2n minus 4 into 90, and formula of interior angle is back bearing of previous line minus fore bearing of next line. Leveling instrument. There are two processes of leveling. One is direct leveling, and in which vertical distance are measured with respect to a horizontal line which can be established with the help of spatially fixed root telescope of a leveling instrument. The vertical distance used to find the difference in elevation between 2 points. The second elevation of a point are computed from the vertical angle and horizontal distance measured in the indirect leveling. Hence, there we take about direct leveling. The instrument commonly used in direct leveling are following. Leveling instrument. The basic purpose of leveling instrument is to be provide a horizontal line of sight or line of collimation. Part of leveling instrument telescope is to provide line of sight. Leveling tube. The use of leveling tube is used to provide the ensure the line of sight in horizontal plane. Tripod. There are many types of leveling instrument, and some of are followings: dumpy level, tilting level, auto level. Leveling star. Leveling staff are two types: self-reading staff or target staff. One length staff or solid staff, available in 3 meter, made of well-seasoned timber. There are no joint in this staff. Self-reading are so accurate. Folding staff. According to Indian Standard 1779 1961, given the detailed specification of staff, this staff is of a 2 meter. It is made of wooden. Width 75 mm, thickness 18 mm. Telescopic staff in available length is 4 meter and have 3 sections. Target staff. Reading is read by staffman. Length 13 feet, available in 2 length. List count is 0.001 feet. Height of instrument method. So height of instrument can be calculated by backside plus reduced level, and reduced level can be calculated by height of instrument minus foresight or intermediate sight. So here is the question. In this question, backside, intermediate sight and foresight is given, and reduced level of first point is also given. Instrument is shifted after 6 reading. So instrument is shifted after 6 reading. So firstly we can calculate height of instrument. Height of instrument can be calculated by reduced level plus backside. So instrument is shifted after 6th reading. So we can also calculate height of instrument in 6th point and reduced level of all points. So we can check our question by calculating summation of backside minus foresight is equal to last reduced level minus first reduced level. So rise and fall method. In rise and fall method, backside, intermediate sight and foresight is also given, but rise and fall not given. First reduced level is also given. So we can calculate all the rise and fall, and we can check our question by calculating summation of backside minus foresight is equal to summation of rise minus summation of fall is equal to last reduced level minus first reduced level. So we can calculate our question easily. Thank you so much.